Babe, I'm trying to get a backlash out.
I unhooked a fish for my princess.
Let's go, babe!